it is Gaming Ninja back for another video, and today I'm back. Today, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications, and sub like this guy did right here. He actually liked on the video, and he subscribed, and he subbed right there. He actually subbed right there, guys. So if you could do that, I would really appreciate that. So let's get into it. Okay, guys, right. In the last episode, my headset, my mic kind of broke, so I had to go to the shop. I got a new one. This one is actually a lot better one. And guys, I am ready to talk my videos again. And today we will be going on it. We will claim highs. Okay, so in this I was thinking of doing the lucky landscaping. That might take too long. You know, I needed two more spiders for the panda. Yeah, for the panda. Yeah, for the panda, we only need 3 more spiders to get the silver egg. Yes, we might actually get the silver egg in this video. If we do this video for an hour. Because wait, it actually takes 2 hours because every spider to spawn it takes 30 minutes. So, I don't know. Let's take out this spider here because it's one of our quests. Right. And we need to go to the clover field, don't we? But guys, and I'm going to show you what I was going to get in the shop here. The shop, so if I just go to the slingshot here, guys, I would really like if you could subscribe like that guy did in the comments. It would be really nice. And yeah, let's just go to the slingshot right here. Right. And I am actually saving up for oh yeah, I'm saving up for the parachute, guys. I need 100,000 more honey and I'm able to get it. I'm gonna be so happy when I get the parachute. And I got the compressor, which is pretty nice as well. So I'm gonna collect from the clover field, I guess. And guys, if we hit 20 subscribers, I will blow my mind. I will literally give you my dad's credit card. Yeah, I'll give you my dad's credit card or my mom's credit card because you're so generous for subscribing. Okay, so yeah, it's the clover field, right? Let's take out these pesky insects. They don't even go for my bees. They just kill me when my bees can still kill them, but when I can't attack them. And today I have done my bear quest where I got. Oh guys, and today is going to be a royal jelly video where we're gonna be seeing what bees we're gonna get from the royal jelly. The 2 royal jellies I got today. I got one from the brown bear, which is good. So and the brown and look, guys. Sad face, I don't even have any Robux. I'm so sad that I don't have any Robux. Then I go buy the bear bee. Wow. Whoa, it's still only up for the game launch. Guys. Oh. It's only up for the game launch. Okay. Sounds nice. But I don't have any Robux, sad face. So yeah, we just need to collect a little bit more. I'm not collecting enough. Okay, so guys, now we are going to be doing what bees we're going to be getting from the royal jelly. Right, let's go. Right, okay, so where's our bees? Okay. Royal jelly. Okay, what is our first royal jelly gonna be? Transform basic bee. Rascal bee! I already got a rascal bee. No, I could have got a new discovery. Alright, let's try it on this basic bee. Oh, Bumblebee! I have not got that one, and it's in a blue epic, guys. Bumblebee, blue epic. As a larva, this bee has lived in the ocean. It loves blue flowers because they remind it of home. Oh, so it's been like late in the. Oh, where's my Bumblebee? The Bumblebees emoji. That face dog. Oh no, I can't make one. But guys, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and guys, by the way, do you remember when I was like a starter person in the last episode? I've been grinding off camera. If you don't want me to grind off camera, guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Well, guys, I've been grinding the grind. Grinding the grind doesn't really make that much sense. But I've discovered a lot of bees. I have 2 basic bees, 2 bomber bees, one bumblebee, 1 kill bee, 1 hasty bee, 1 rat bee, 2 rascal bees, 1 bumblebee, 1 frosty bee, and 1 Riley bee, and 1 ninja bee. That's actually my best legendary well. Okay, the compressor, guys, if you don't want me to grind, I'm so sorry, guys, I'm so sorry. But guys, say in the comments if you want me to do a new account so I can just do the new series again, so you guys can watch me go through the series nicely. So guys, it would be really nice if you could tell me in the comments and subscribe like that person did. I've said that like twice because, yeah, who wouldn't subscribe to the channel? Yeah, I'll be doing more videos and stuff, yeah. And the more likes I get, the more videos I do. And the more subscribers I get. My head will come off because I'm so excited. Da, na, 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 na. Bye bee, bye bee, bye bee. And like look where my mouse is. Bye bee, bye bee, bye bee. Bye bee. Well guys, I will be doing a 20 subscribers special if I get 20 subscribers. Yes, a 20 subscriber special. Make sure to subscribe so we'll get closer and closer to do the special. Now, got 25,000 pollen left. So my bees are actually pretty slow at making honey. Wait, what's my quest? My quest. Oh, I need that much more. I need 50,000 more. Okay. Makes sense. Okay. Crispies too. Okay, so Crispy 11 is right here, guys. Just if you're wondering. By the way, guys, just if you're wondering, don't send friend requests to strangers. Guys, I'm giving you a tip. I'm just gonna block this player. I just blocked an innocent player, guys. Oh no, I feel sad. I'm gonna unblock. He did nothing. Report abuse. Swearing. Eating. I just said Crispies. So Crispies 2011. I just reported him for dating when he didn't even date. Oh my! I feel so guilty for this. Well, guys, say in the comments if that was okay to do. He's pretty innocent. Okay. And guys, in the next episode, in the next episode, we will be buying the parachute. I will get to 500,000 honey, and then we'll have the parachute, I guess. Yay! The parachute. So then we can like glide down to places. So that'll be pretty good. And guys, time for this video. I'm only able to do 5 more minutes. Okay. I'm only able to do 5 more minutes for you guys. I'm so sorry. But guys, make sure to smash a like button, so we will do a 20 subscriber special when we get to 20 subscribers. Make sure to smash a like button, guys. Bye, guys.